it making snow? I think it looks like it snowed in our house. Jackson, I would like to know who is going to clean this mess up? Mommy, and who else? You? Hi, Jace. Jace, hi. Are you rolling in the snow? Oh, you guys. You know what? Do you know you have snow in your hair? Are you tired? Hi, Jace. Oh, you're gonna go sleep in the snow? Now look at all the snow on you. Okay, better go clean up now. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Jace, say bye-bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Okay, lucky mommy.